Beep, beep, beep. This is a test of the notification system from the Magic Tech Review Network. Please let me know when you receive this text message. No, but seriously, guys. Go ahead and let me know if you received this video actually as a notification in your shade, or you just saw this, just happen to come across this on your subscription feed. I'm really curious. But the president will be sending out an alarm at 2:18 p.m. and at 2:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So there you have it on that. So if your phone goes off here in about an hour or so, just know that it's the president sending out a notification. As I think it's really important, though, that they do test this stuff out and that this stuff is able to go out. It's mandatory. Nobody can escape it really unless you have your phone off or in airplane mode. It says FEMA's testing out its new emergency alert system and wireless emergency alerts at precisely 2:18 p.m. and 2:20 p.m. today. So this is just in case, stuff hits the fan, and yeah, President Trump or whoever the president is will be able to let us know about something, whether it be take shelter, some kind of disasters happen on, warrant tornadoes, Amber Alert, a young person goes missing, kidnapping, whatever the case may be. So, I mean, it's just a good thing to have. It says these text messages are sent by authority of the president and can't technically be blocked. However, you can try a few of these strategies if you really don't want to receive them. I mean, I don't know why you wouldn't want to receive them. It's just a test of the system here, but I guess that's whatever. If you want to be a big rebel, go ahead and try to block it. I don't know. But anyways, this has been John from Magic Tech Review. I just wanted to try this out, and hopefully you guys get this notification in your notification shade or whatever, because I've been having a big problem with people getting my notifications. So anyways, peace out, guys. Thank you guys for watching. John from Magic Tech Review. Bye-bye now.